So here's a typical issue with old cars. These are, I believe, the original brake rotors on this Honda. There is a lot of corrosion here because of the dissimilar materials that are used. So that corrosion affects the wheels the most. For some reason, Honda engineers decided to use two screws to hold the rotor to the hub, and they are Phillips screws. At least they provide those M8 tapped holes to pull the rotor off the hub, but I could not really remove these screws, so I stripped them already. That wasn't difficult at all, so now I have to deal with them. The task at this point is to remove these two screws so I can replace the brake rotor. I don't really care if I destroy the brake rotor. Well, that's fairly deep. Maybe I should just go to the other side again. I'm not sure if this will actually do anything, or this might just get destroyed in an instant. Yeah, there you go. Done. So I guess I need to come back some other time when I have my tools. So, good idea. Bad tools. Cannot get it out now. Well, this is not meant to be used in such a way. It's not rated for the impact, so I need to get my bits and try it with the proper tooling.